Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning. And if it's your first time, you are warmly welcome. I hope you're all doing great by the grace of God. Family, today we are making cured beef. And cured beef is the process of preserving your beef and to give it flavor. Okay, it's so quick, easy, and simple. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways that I make my cured beef. You will love it. It's amazing and I cannot wait to show you my recipe. Without further ado, let's get into the video and go nowhere. Wait till the end and bring me your feedback if you try this amazing recipe. Let's get started. First, let me introduce you to these amazing natural seasonings that I'm going to be using for the cured beef. I've got bay leaves, I've got cloves, grain of psyllium, star anise seed, and black peppercorns. I'm going to put them in the frying pan. Roast them for about 2 minutes to release their flavors, okay? In about 2 minutes, I'll turn off the heat and let the seasonings cool down. What a punch. This smells so good. I'm going straight ahead to cut the lamb I'm using into pieces, and I'm using the rib part of the lamb. I've already let the lamb stay in water for some time just to drain some of the blood in the bones out because I cannot stand the blood just stuck in the bones like that. So I let the ribs stay in water for about 8 hours and I've drained lots of the blood out. That's why it looks a bit pale. It's fine like that. You can all see the blood wasn't entirely gone, but I'm going to manage it anyway. And I'm cutting them into pieces. Cut them into any shape and size of your choice. And very soon we should be done with this recipe. So guys, go nowhere, keep watching till the end to see all the 3 recipes I'm going to be showing you, and I hope you like all of them. Ooh, so soon I'm done cutting them and they look amazing. I'm impressed with the sizes. They look as though I just used something to measure them, but no, I just eyeball them and the size is just perfect. I'm going to crush my seasonings into pieces. Okay, I'll just pound them like that. I don't want them to be smooth, so you can just leave this part. It's optional. You don't need to crush them or do anything like that. You can just leave them as a whole and use them, okay? And yes, I'm leaving the 3 bay leaves for later, okay? They smell amazing. However, crushing the seasonings bring out the flavors more and intensified than using them as a whole, okay? I'm done crushing the seasonings and this is fine. I'm waiting for this. Now let's put this aside and then divide the lamb into 3. This is the first one. I'm transferring some of the lamb into the bowl and then I'll add water afterwards. It's fine. I'm gonna head to add red food coloring and I'm not adding too much of it, just about 2 drops of it is fine because I don't want it to be too reddish. So I've added my sea salt, both the pink and white. I'm adding my seasonings. Ooh. This is amazing. I love the aroma. So beautiful. So beautiful, family. So now give it a stir to combine everything nicely together. Whoa, and now cover it up. This is the first method and we are not entirely done. So let's put this aside and then transfer some lamb into this bowl. This is the second method. It's going to be so quick and easy as well. Now with this method or the second method, you can make it the brine way or the dry way. Today I'm going to make it the brine way, so I'm going to add water to it. Usually I'll just add salt and that'll be it, but today I'm adding water and then my salt, both the pink and then the white salt. As usual, you just mix to combine everything together. And guys, this is so simple, quick, and easy. Okay, it's done, but not entirely done. We are on the third method, which is also the last method. I'm going to add my sea salt, both the pink and white, rocky salt. You can use Himalayan salt if you like, okay, because they are all salt anyway. I'm going ahead to add my chopped onions. I'm also adding my roasted bay leaf and then the rest of the seasonings. I'm using my spatula to stir and coat the lamb properly with the seasonings and salt. Now that is all done, I'm going to keep them here for the curing process to continue for about 3 days. I'll leave this in a warm area. That's why I've covered it with something at least to help hasten the curing process. Okay, so it's after 3 days and I'm back. Let's check how far things are going. And with the first one, the salt has already pulled out enough moisture from the lamb. Can you see that? And it's good. It smells amazing. So now let's check on the second one. And yes, wow, wow. It smells normal. It's not smelling bad at all. So far, so good. It's great. The third one, let's check it and see. Wow, it's so flavorful. I'm so loving all of these. It smells so amazing. It's not smelling bad at all. The salt has done its job and it's amazing. Wow. So the next thing I'm going to do is to drain out all of the water from the lump. And guys, I'll be back. Okay. Here we are, and everything turned out just as I expected. The salt content is okay. The flavor is amazing. Oh my goodness. This is how quick, easy, and simple to make your own homemade cured beef or Toolo beef. I couldn't ask for more. I'm so loving this. I am so impressed. Family, I hope you try this and bring me the feedback, and I'll really appreciate it. With this one, I just love the color, and yes, I didn't use too much of the red food coloring, and I think it's just fine. Wow, I love the flavor. Everything about this homemade cured beef is so good. Family, I'm adding a little bit of the rocky salt to the cured beef, okay, because I want more salt. So it's optional. Oh my goodness, the flavor is so flavorful. My goodness. So far, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. If it's your first time, you are warmly welcome, and I would love to have you here. Please subscribe to join this amazing family, and you will never ever regret it. Okay. Family, for more of these videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like my Facebook page, follow me as well on Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Okay, this is how I'm storing my short beef, okay, in a full storage bag like this. You can as well store them in your container and keep them in the fridge. Use them as and when you need them. I just cannot wait to use them in my dishes like jollof rice, rice pilaf or amamu or oil rice, my okra stews and soups. Wow, I'm just so impressed. Family, I hope you have been inspired to try this out. Wow, this is so amazing. Thank you all for watching till this point. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, and take care. Mwah. Bye, y'all.